All right, I'll go along with what probation is now recommending, but I'm gonna let you know. Um, Ms. Polera gives people a chance that's consistent with how this court feels. If you mess this up, I'm not going to be because the final decision is mine. I'm not going to at all be listening to any kind of break for you. You will just do time.
Good morning, Mayor. Please, the court attorney Damian Cash, P number 85852 on behalf of Mr. Taylor Byer. Mr. Byer, state your name for the record.
Taylor Martin Byer, Your Honor.
All right, state and time for sentencing. Have you reviewed the report?
Your Honor, yes, we've reviewed the PSI report. I have no additions or changes or deletions, Your Honor. I just do at some point want to discuss the bond violation that Mr. Byer had in the report that I recently received.
Well, go ahead.
So, Mr. Byer, I called records at Bear River Treatment Facility in roundabout Traverse City area. He was admitted for treatment on November 24th. That is the reasons and the explanation for why he was not able to test. I do understand that he was in contact with, at times, the probation department to inform them that he was in treatment. I'm not exactly sure how those conversations detailed. However, he was in treatment. He completed December 23rd, and they confirmed the records to me this morning, and I also reported those records to your court as well, Your Honor.
He completed Bear River.
He completed Bear River, yes, Your Honor.
I think I'm not going to find a violation because I think that the issue is potentially that there wasn't a release information. It wasn't anything that this gentleman did. I was a circumstance where information was just not flowing
Back and forth.
yes, like it should have been. So I'm not going to find a violation of it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Doesn't seem to be a violation. He's in treatment. So, all right.
He owed him some flowers and candy as I promised him this morning for this record.
Okay. Okay. Anything else?
Other than I'll just briefly allocute. I've been in contact with his family, his brother, and they informed me along his siblings. They are, I'll say, very interested in seeing his growth and his continued development as he continues to go through treatment. I believe it is very serious to him, as well as he's admitted to himself. He's explained to me multiple times that it is very serious to him to get through this treatment process to better himself, and that really he just want to get back to being a productive citizen and back to work, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Sir, anything you want to tell me?
I want to say thank you for everything you did, because it actually helped me in my life to get my life on track. And I only want to do the right thing. I want to be the best dad I can be for my son. And I just want to be the best person I can be. And I just want to say thank you for helping me with my journey, because I'm on the right path. And I just want to say thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Ms. Blair, just so that I can make sure I'm understanding this, the proof of treatment.
Your Honor, I was not able to
Fair.
obtain that information because there was no release of information.
Got it.
However, it was brought to my attention when Mr. Byer was arraigned that he advised the court that he was in treatment,
And
they had something of attendance but no completion. So I know he represented that he did complete it. I just was not able to.
right, and I think,
Can I say something?
was this the one that we received that indicated that, or was that another one? Was another one. Okay. I guess I don't have the proof of the treatment yet. myself, but
Last week when I was here, I gave my completion to Judge Reese, and I actually have my completion in my file.
you gave it to who?
Judge Reese, is that her name?
Well, we don't have a Judge Reese.
Oh. I gave her the copy last week and they made a copy of it. It's actually in my folder.
I was to say, that's from Bear River.
Yes.
The records I received today will be the most, I'll say, up to date records that was released this morning, Your Honor. And hopefully that is enough to, because it states on there.
Yes, they
successful
sent-
release.
Well, which records are you talking about? I actually have it. I see the verification of the discharge letter from Bear River. I see it now.
Okay.
Indicating that he has successfully completed the program.
Okay.
So I have it. I see it. It was one of the other papers that was on there. Okay. And that's the treatment you were talking
Correct.
about. Okay, very good. All right.
Your Honor.
You're welcome. So I will sentence of the court, $125 statutory fee. I'll order 90 days in jail, credit 61 that he served. The balance of that is suspended.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, so I'm changing that. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, sir, and you have a wonderful day. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.